to show you how to make delicious seafood boil ramen, so let's get started with the video. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Chop some green onions, then dice 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 onion. Next, slice 1 sausage, then deshell and devein some shrimp. When you have finished preparing all of your ingredients, set them to the side. Next, we're going to prepare the seasoning mix for the sauce. In a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of light brown sugar. Mix everything together until well combined and then set your seasoning mix to the side. Next, we're going to make the sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add a half a cup of diced onions, a half a cup of diced bell peppers, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then saute your veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes. When you have finished cooking your veggies, add 1½ cups of seafood stock. If you don't have seafood stock, you can always use chicken broth instead. Next, mix in your seasonings. Then add 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and the juice of 1 lemon. Once you finish adding all of your ingredients, let your sauce simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once your sauce has finished cooking, set it to the side. Now that the sauce is finished, boil some eggs. While the eggs are boiling, we're going to cook our snow crab legs. In a large pot of water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of liquid seafood boil. Adding the vinegar makes the crabs easier to pick, while adding the liquid seafood boil adds flavor. Bring the water to a boil and then cook your crab legs for 5 minutes. I'm using snow crab legs, but you can use whatever type of crab you like. Once your crab legs have finished cooking, remove them from the pot and set them to the side. Next, in a pan over medium heat, cook your sliced sausage. Once the sausage has finished cooking, remove them from the pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter, and while the butter is melting, deglaze the bottom of the pan. Then place your shrimp into the pan and season them. I season my shrimp with pepper, Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. After adding your seasonings, cook your shrimp for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your shrimp have finished cooking, set them to the side. Next, in a pot of boiling water, cook your ramen noodles for however long it says to on the package. The eggs should be finished cooking by now, so all you have to do is peel and cut them. This is optional, but I also let my eggs marinate in some of the sauce for a bit before cutting them. Now that everything has been cooked, we can now assemble our ramen. Pour your sauce in a bowl. Then add the ramen noodles. And the toppings prepared before. When I had finished adding the toppings, I sprinkled some paprika and parsley on top. And this is the finished result. This was absolutely delicious and it looks great. I saw this trending on TikTok for a while and I really wanted to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did because it turned out really good. The sauce was really good and well seasoned. I love bell peppers in my sauce, it just adds so much flavor. If you haven't had seafood boiled ramen yet, I totally recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok lasagna soup, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the cheese mixture. In a bowl, add 8 ounces of ricotta cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Boursin garlic and herb cheese, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of parsley, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, place the cheese mixture in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 1 pound of ground turkey or beef and a half a pound of ground Italian sausage. Then break up the ground meat. When you're finished, season the ground meat. I seasoned mine with seasoned salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Creole seasoning. Next, cook the ground meat until it has browned and completely cooked through. After you finish cooking the meat, add 1 diced onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then cook the onions and garlic for about 2 minutes. Next, add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix everything together and cook the tomato paste for 5 minutes. Next, add 24 ounces of marinara sauce. Mix the marinara sauce with everything until well combined. Then add 6 cups of chicken broth. Mix everything together until well combined and then add 8 broken up lasagna noodles. Bring the soup to a boil and then reduce the heat to medium-low and cover the pot with a lid. Then cook the noodles for about 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. Make sure to occasionally stir the soup while the noodles are cooking. Once the noodles have finished cooking, reduce the heat to low and add a half a cup of heavy cream. Then mix the heavy cream in until well combined. Next, mix in 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped basil. And that's it, you're all finished making the lasagna soup. Now all that's left to do is plate it up. Add some of the soup in a bowl and then add a scoop of the ricotta cheese mixture on top. After adding a scoop of the ricotta cheese mixture, sprinkle some parsley and red pepper flakes on top as well. And that's it, you're all done, and this is the finished result. This lasagna soup is absolutely delicious. It's super flavorful and well seasoned, and the ricotta cheese mixture on top complements the soup perfectly. The soup is also really filling and perfect for warming you up on a cold day. I definitely recommend giving this a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Big Mac Smash Tacos. Let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, dice 1 onion. Then shred some lettuce. Once you've finished preparing your ingredients, set them to the side. Next, we're going to make the Big Mac sauce. In a bowl, add 1 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sweet relish, 2 tablespoons of Dusseldorf mustard, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Once you've added all of your ingredients, mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, cover the bowl in plastic wrap or place the sauce in a container and then put it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, place the tortilla on a cutting board. Then press about a handful of ground beef onto the tortilla. Continue to press down and flatten the ground beef until you have a thin layer of ground beef covering the entire tortilla. Repeat this process until you've made all the tacos that you want. Next, season the ground beef with seasoned salt and pepper. Once you're finished, you can begin cooking your smashed tacos. In a pan over medium-high heat, add some olive oil. Then place the tortilla in the pan, beef side down. Proceed to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes while occasionally pressing down on the tortilla with a spatula. Once your smashed taco is finished cooking, flip it. Then add a slice of American cheese and reduce the heat to medium-low. Next, add a little water in the pan and then cover the pan with a lid and let the cheese melt for about 1 minute. Then take your smashed taco out of the pan. Repeat this process with the rest of your tacos. By the way, adding a little water in the pan will create steam, which will help to melt the cheese. It won't make the taco soggy. Once you finish cooking the smashed tacos, add the toppings. First, add some shredded lettuce. Then add some diced onions. About 2 to 3 pickles. And of course, the Big Mac sauce. And that's it, you are all finished. All you have to do now is plate it and enjoy. And this is the finished result. I kept seeing these Big Mac smashed tacos all over TikTok and I just had to give them a try, and they were so good. The beef was well seasoned and cooked through, and the tacos were nice and crispy. Also, the sauce tasted just like the one from McDonald's, so overall everything tasted great. The recipe was also super easy and simple. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make my version of the viral Tunacado Sandwich, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by prepping the ingredients. First, dice half a red onion. Then slice 1 cucumber. One tomato. And 1 avocado. Once you have finished prepping your ingredients, set them to the side. Next, in a large bowl, add 12 ounces of tuna. Use an immersion blender to break up the tuna into smaller pieces. Next, add a half a cup of mayonnaise, a half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, a quarter cup of diced red onions, a half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you have finished making your tuna mixture, set it to the side. Next, in a pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then place 2 slices of bread in the pan and toast them until they're golden brown on both sides. I'm using sourdough, but you can use any bread of your choice. Once you have finished toasting your bread, you can now begin making your sandwich. First, place your 2 slices of bread on a cutting board. Then evenly spread some pesto on both slices of bread. Next, on 1 slice of bread, add a couple of slices of avocado. Then add a couple of tomato slices and some slices of cucumber. And finally, add some of the tuna mixture. Once you have finished adding the tuna, place the other slice of bread on top. Then slice it in half and you are all finished. And this is the finished result. This sandwich is so good and easy to make, I totally understand why it went viral. This has become one of my favorite lunch recipes, so I recommend giving it a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok salmon rice bowl with teriyaki salmon. So let's get started with the video. Begin by washing your rice. And to do that, all you have to do is rinse your rice multiple times, about 3 to 4 times, or until the water is clear, making sure to stir your rice between each rinse. When you're finished, place your rice in your rice cooker. Add your water to your rice. I'm adding 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. Then place the lid on top and cook your rice. While the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare and cook our salmon. Begin by seasoning your salmon. I'm seasoning mine with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Make sure to season both sides of your salmon. When you finish seasoning, coat your salmon in teriyaki sauce. Once you've finished coating your salmon, place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. When your salmon has finished cooking, your rice should be done cooking as well, and you can begin assembling your salmon rice bowl. In a bowl, add as much rice as you want. Then add soy sauce, Kewpie mayo or Japanese mayo, sriracha, your teriyaki salmon, some seaweed, sesame seeds, sliced avocado, and green onions. And this is the finished result. This is the rice bowl before I smashed it and mixed everything together. It's such a simple and easy dish, but it will fill you up real quick. Plus, it tastes really good. Like, I would totally make this again. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hello, welcome to the outtakes. Okay, so this is just the rice bowl after I smashed it up. Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make this delicious, creamy, spicy vodka pasta. I'm super excited to show you guys how to make this, so let's get started with the video. We're gonna begin by grating or shredding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. When you're finished, set the Parmesan cheese to the side. Next, dice 1 onion. When you're finished, set your diced onions to the side. Now, in a large pot of water, add salt. Bring the large pot of water to a boil and then add 2 cups of your favorite pasta noodles. I'm using shell pasta for mine. Once your noodles are cooked, save half a cup of your pasta water. I saved all of my pasta water just in case. You can do the same, or you can just save half a cup. Set your pasta water aside to use later. Now, in a large pan over medium heat, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then add 1/4 cup of your diced onions. Sauté your onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of garlic and sauté the garlic with the onions for 1 more minute. When you finish sautéing your garlic and onions, add a half a cup of tomato paste. Stir the tomato paste in with the onions, garlic, and olive oil. Allow the tomato paste to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of vodka. Stir in the vodka and then let it cook for about 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes are up, add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir in the heavy cream until well combined. Once everything is well combined, add a half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of basil, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then stir in 1 cup of your Parmesan cheese. After that, add a half a cup of the pasta water you saved before. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once you've finished making your sauce and it's all nice and creamy, you can go ahead and add your pasta noodles. And that's it! You are all finished making your spicy vodka pasta. And this is the finished result. Pasta is quick and easy to make, and it was really good. I got this recipe off TikTok. I'll have the TikTok linked in the description below. I totally recommend giving this recipe a try. It is so flavorful and spicy. By the way, if you have leftovers of the pasta, don't cook it in the microwave. Place your pasta into a pot, then add a bit of heavy cream and cook it over medium heat until it is creamy again. Trust me, I did that when I had it for lunch the next day. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok s'mores cookies, so let's get started with the video. Begin by placing 4 graham crackers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure you space the graham crackers far apart from each other. Next, add 3 squares of Hershey's chocolate on each graham cracker. Then add 1 large marshmallow on each one as well. Next, take some chocolate chip cookie dough and flatten it. I'm using Pillsbury cookie dough. Then place it on top of the marshmallow, chocolate, and graham cracker. Make sure the cookie dough covers the marshmallow and chocolate and most of the graham cracker. Then repeat this process with the rest of your cookies. When you're finished, place the cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Then let the cookies cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the cookies have cooled, place them on a plate and enjoy. And this is the finished result! These s'more cookies are so good and make a great summer snack. They were also super easy and fun to make. By the way, you can use other types of chocolate other than the plain Hershey's chocolate. I've seen people use cookies and cream and Reese's peanut butter cups. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok Trader Joe's pizza, so let's get started with the video. Begin by taking a Trader Joe's flatbread pizza crust and placing it on a tinfoil lined baking sheet. Then coat the flatbread in a bit of olive oil. Next, add some garlic spread. Then evenly spread it with a spatula. Next, add some tomato pesto and spread it out evenly. Then add some hot chili pepper paste. Now we're going to add some marinated fresh mozzarella balls and burrata. Tear the burrata into pieces and place it on the flatbread. Then add the marinated mozzarella balls. I cut the mozzarella in half and then placed it on the flatbread. Next, add some prosciutto, and finally add some pepperoni. When you're finished, place it in the oven at 425 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While the pizza is cooking in the oven, prepare the arugula. Add some of the marinated mixture from the marinated mozzarella balls to the arugula. Toss the arugula in that mixture until it is well coated. Once the pizza is finished cooking, let it cool for about 5 minutes and then add the arugula on top. After adding the arugula, all that's left to do is to drizzle some balsamic glaze on top and you are all finished. By the way, I just want to let you know that I got most of the ingredients for the pizza from Trader Joe's. The only thing I didn't get from Trader Joe's was the arugula. And this is the finished result. This pizza is absolutely delicious and really easy to make. I totally understand why this pizza went viral because it is so good. I highly recommend. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make my version of the viral feta pasta that's been super popular on TikTok. Begin by preparing your ingredients. Dice 1 onion, chop 4 to 5 leaves of basil, This part's optional, but you can also grate or shred some Parmesan cheese. Next, in a 9x13 pan, add 2 pints of cherry tomatoes. Make a space for your feta in the middle of the cherry tomatoes. Then add a half a block of feta cheese. Add 1/4 cup of your diced onions. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, about 1/8 or 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder, and finally add some olive oil, about 1/4 cup. You're actually supposed to add the olive oil before the seasonings, but I forgot. Then give everything a little mix to make sure everything is coated and place it inside the oven at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. Next, in a large pot of water, add salt. Bring your water to a boil and then cook your pasta of choice. I'm using bow tie pasta. Five minutes before your feta is finished cooking, add a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can do this, or you can add garlic cloves in the beginning and let it cook with the tomatoes and feta, or you can add the minced garlic after your feta and tomatoes have finished cooking completely. I added the garlic 5 minutes beforehand because I wanted my garlic to cook with the other ingredients without it overcooking and burning. Once your tomatoes and feta have finished cooking, add your basil. Then add a half a cup of ricotta cheese and mix everything together until well combined. Once everything is mixed in, add your pasta. Once you've mixed everything in, you are finished. Place your pasta on a plate, add a bit of Parmesan cheese on top, and enjoy. And this is the finished result. This pasta was so good. I got the idea to do half feta, half ricotta from a TikTok video that I'll link down below. Using half feta and half ricotta was great in my opinion because I felt like the feta was too strong when I made the original version. I also added diced onions and more seasonings, which was also different from the original, and it all ended up tasting really good. The recipe was super quick and simple, and I will definitely be making it again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and liked the recipe. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!